Plus. Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here. You come here to subtitle position here, click in this sign, and here can you select if you want to add bottom or top. When you just select it, click here on save, then it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do to select your subtitle position here. That's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.